Imagine for a moment that you're on holiday, the sun's beating down, you're sitting on a sun lounger on the beach, and you're beginning to get a bit hungry because it's nearly lunchtime. You see a waiter and you call him across and you ask him, could I have the crispy coconut chicken nuggets? Well, this is that recipe, so let's get into the kitchen and let's get cooking. We'll start by cutting the chicken into bite-sized cubes. We'll cut lengthways and then across the way. To coat our beautiful crispy coconut chicken nuggets, we're going to use some plain flour, 1 beaten egg, some panko breadcrumbs and desiccated coconut in roughly equal portions. First, we coat our chicken in the flour. And then into our beaten egg. And again, turn each of them over to make sure that they're all covered. And from the egg into our breadcrumb and desiccated coconut coating. Making sure that the chicken's completely coated, that it's got that crumb all around it. That's what's going to go really crispy. And what you've got now is some beautifully coated chicken ready to be cooked. We want to get our oil up to around about 170 Celsius. And then gently, one by one, we can place our chicken nuggets into the hot oil, being really careful, and we don't want to overload the pan, so maybe only do 6 or 7 at a time, and then we can take them out and we can do the next batch. And they will take 5 or 6 minutes to cook, and what we want to do is after a couple of minutes we can turn them over in the oil just to make sure that they cook all the way through and that it gets golden crispy all over. And when they're done, we can just take them out and put them onto some kitchen towel lining another baking tray, just to let them drain off. And that's our crispy coconut chicken nuggets. They go really well with just mayonnaise, and if you want to know how to make mayonnaise in under 2 minutes, you should watch this video here. And this video here is the one that YouTube thinks that you should watch next. It's too tasty. You'll have to leave because they're mine. Sorry.